Today we'll have another look about a couple of investment opportunities and how they are going, how much profit have we made or maybe even loss, and we'll also check if there are any news related to this project. If you're only interested in a specific project, feel free to use the timestamps down below so you can skip the other topics. We will also do this kind of a video format regularly, so if you're interested in investment opportunities and how to make money online, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell. Also, before we start, never forget that I am not a financial advisor or similar. I'm just presenting you some opportunities and some projects where I am invested in. If a project sounds interesting for you, please do always your own due diligence, your own research, and only invest money which you could afford to lose, as it's always risk capital. There is no single investment opportunity without any risk. Keep this in mind and do your own due diligence. And in case you want to join any investment opportunities or need more information, you will always find the link to the platforms down below in the description, which will of course help me and support this channel. Let's get started with Eazybot. Eazybot is a crypto trading bot which works totally passively and automatically without us to need anything about the market actually. And Eazybot can help us to multiply our stablecoins such as USDT or USDC, but also Bitcoin. The great thing with Eazybot is that we still have our assets in our exchange, so we don't have to send our funds to Eazybot platform, but we could leave it at our preferred exchange such as Binance, Kucoin or Kraken. Eazybot itself is some kind of DCA bot, however it is not just DCAing but also regularly taking profits, so we make money while using it. And Eazybot regularly outperforms the crypto market, so we are making much more profit with using Eazybot rather than holding a specific token or coin. And this is something I want to show you in this video today, how the performance is and especially how the performance is compared to the overall crypto market. But before we'll dive into this, we'll have a quick look how much profit we made with Eazybot. And this is totally different. As you can see, it totally depends on which token pair you are choosing, which trading pair, and also when you are starting your bot on your entry point. So it really varies for everyone. There is not a specific amount I can tell you. However, usually it does around 3 to even 20% each month. And this depends on the crypto pair, but also entry point and the volatility of the market. But this one is a really great chart which I want to show you, and it actually shows you how Eazybot is outperforming the average crypto market. And I will also give you a real example from the Eazybot dashboard where you can see it yourself how Eazybot is working. So for example, let's have a look here. When the market dropped minus 28%, if we would have just hold our coins and tokens, we would have made 28 floating loss, right? However, if we are using Eazybot, in the same time, we would have made around 9 to 11% profit. So this is almost a 30% difference. This is huge. If you can see the potential it has, and don't forget, your coins and your token are still in your exchange. And you can even diversify by using multiple exchanges. Let's have another look here. The market dropped minus 42%. If we would have used Eazybot, we have made around 24.5% in profit. So this is 65% difference. Instead of 40% loss, we would have made 25% of profit. This is so huge, and I really love Eazybot for this. Of course, if we are in the bear market and the market drops a lot or the market has really less volatility, we are not making so much profit with Eazybot, but still compared to the market performance, if you're just holding the tokens, the difference is huge. And as soon as we are getting back some volatility and also maybe some more price increases, Eazybot is an awesome tool. And just last week we had some spikes in the crypto market, right? And this was really helpful for a lot of people to close some trades to make profit. Now I want to show you some real results from the Eazybot dashboard. So as you can see here, we had a session opened on 22nd of February with an opening price of more than $9. However, around 3 weeks later, it closed the trade with a profit of $28, while the closing price was 7.35. So here you can see again, if you would have hold your token, this is the Litecoin price, by the way, so you would have made for each token you are holding more than 1.7 USD. So if you would have just hold the Litecoin in these 3 weeks, you would have made a loss for each token you are holding 1.7 USD roundabout. While with the bot, you made profit. And this is so awesome. Let's have another look. You can see that at some point the Litecoin price was below than $4, 3.8 USD. And still we made profit of more than $8.50. So of course the profit depends on how much money and token you have and the bot is using for you to trade. But let's have a look at the Filecoin chart just for you to understand how Eazybot works. So as per the dashboard, you have seen that the bot started at around $9 and started a trade over there. And during this peak, the Filecoin chart just crushed, right? So, but Eazybot has still made profit. If we would have bought our Filecoin here, which the bot actually did, you would have now made a loss of around 60%. But with Eazybot, we made profit. So you have more than 70% difference. And this is really awesome. And this is how it works. So for example, you are starting the bot here at the peak. Then the market goes down. Eazybot is still buying automatically more and more token the lower the price goes. So the DCA would go lower. And then we have a small spike like here. And at the top, Eazybot would sell your tokens again if the dollar cost average is below than what we have. And this means we would have made profit. And then Eazybot is buying again and again and again. Now we have another spike. And again, Eazybot is automatically selling your Filecoin here at the peak again. And again it goes down and up. So Eazybot is using all these up and downs and all these small spikes over here to make profit. While if someone who's just holding the Filecoin would have made massive amount of loss during this time. And please don't forget, we are still having our token and assets in our exchange. And this also means that we can, if we want to, still see all the trades in our Binance, Kucoin, Kraken account, whatever. We could close the trades. We could sell our tokens anytime if we need to and if we want to. I never did. And I'm already with Eazybot more than a year. And I really, really love Eazybot for this. I will put the link to the Eazybot performance down below in the description so you can check yourself the performance of the past. However, don't forget, past results never guarantee future results, so we never know if Matic, Uniswap, and Link or whatever are still the best performing in the future. But you can check all the details over here yourself and also check out my playlist about the Eazybot. There you will find everything you need about the strategy explanation, how you can set it up, a step-by-step guide, some mistakes you should avoid, how you can identify the best performing coins, especially here, how you can check the volatility of the coins. Also, Eazybot just announced some strategy adjustments, so they will not have any average covers anymore, but independent covers. You don't have to do anything, however, just when a new session is starting, the new strategy will automatically be applied. And without the average covers, Eazybot announced that this new strategy adjustment will make around 30% more profits overall. So I'm pretty excited to see if there are any noticeable results. So it is highly recommended to not use only one exchange, but a bunch of exchanges. So if you're using Eazybot, just split it, put some to Binance, some to Kraken, and some to Kucoin, so that you have less risk, and also only put the money in the exchange which you need to for trading. All the tokens you are holding or staking or similar, you should put into a hardware wallet, a cold wallet, For example, such as the Cypherock wallet, which is a really nice hardware wallet, which is working without a seed phrase. It comes with 4 cards, but also a small device. And the really cool thing here is that they are promising that we have a 10x higher security than other cold wallets, as they are decentralizing our private keys. So we don't have to back up our seed phrase anymore. And actually, this is how it works. So usually we have one wallet and the private key is stored at one place all together. However, Cypherock is having the private key split, or the part of the private key split into 5 different areas. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4 cards where part of the private key is, and 1 is the device. My Cypherock wallet is already on the way, and I will review it soon and also show you soon how you can set it up, how it works actually, how the transactions are working and everything. I'm really excited about it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell if you don't want to miss this new innovative crypto wallet review. However, if you preferred more the conventional way, having a seed phrase, storing your seed phrase, then you might have a look at the sponsor of this video, which is the Dcent Wallet. And Dcent actually has been the world's first biometric hardware wallet on the market. So all the transactions you are doing with this small device, they need to be approved with your fingerprint. And of course, you can add a second fingerprint as well in case of any accidents, or if you trust your partner or whomever enough to give full access to your funds. Also, with the link down below in the description, you will get $30 off your Dcent wallet or 17% off the Cypherock wallet. Now let's have a look at another passive income opportunity, and this is copy trading by RoboForex. And one trader which I'm currently following is DLXgainz beginner, and this is actually a really nice trader. And I actually really like this account because it already made more than 800% in yield, as you can see here. But also it's not a high risk, which might be gone after 10, 20 days or maybe a month or 2. But it's already opened on RoboForex more than 300 days. So this is already a big number, especially when it comes to copy trading on RoboForex. And you can already start copying this account for as low as 200 USD. However, let's have a quick look on the results of the last month of October. So you can see in the first week of October, they made more than 5%, 5.13 to be exactly. The week after, they made 4.67%, and then 5.62%, and a few days are left in the month of October or for the last week. So they haven't published the results yet. So they made around about 20% last month in October, and this is also the average which DLXgainz and the Forex beginner account made over the last month, especially since they adjusted their strategy in June. However, with copy trading and profits always comes the risk too. So let's have a look at the drawdown. I started the drawdown chart on the 1st of July because this is when they had the new strategy and everything, so someone in mid of June, but let's just have a look at the 1st of July, and you will see that usually they have a drawdown which is really low, like below 5%. They had a few peaks where they almost reached 10%, but beginning of October they had minus 16%. And now, just a few days ago, they had even 60%. And just a few days ago, they even had more than 40% drawdown, which is definitely huge. But what I like about DLXgainz is that they are always adjusting the strategy and looking for solutions so that this is not happening again. So let me just quickly read the announcement DLX did. The Forex beginner will continue with one change starting tomorrow. And tomorrow was actually October 30th. The grid spacing will be gradually extended. The analysis of the trades since June showed that last week was the first and only time that the fourth order was opened. 2 times it happened that the third order was opened, and 17 times it happened that the second order was opened. The distance to the second order remains unchanged. However, from then on the distance are gradually increased, which leads to a relief of the drawdown. And there is another thing they changed also, so not only the grids extended, but they also opened a second account, which is the Dcent Beginner as they call it. And this is actually the same strategy as the normal Forex Beginner, which is already on the market since more than 300 days and working really well. However, this is now not a pro account anymore, but a cent account, which results that we can start copying from as low as $100 and not anymore $200. And also they decreased the starting lot to 25%, which means just a quarter of risk, of course also a quarter of drawdown, and then also a quarter of profits. So the cool thing here is that everyone who wants to start with only $100 can start, but also you can decide yourself how much risk and how many profits you want to have. So what you can do here is you can just simply copy the trader as usual and subscribe to the trader, and you will get 25% of the profits and drawdown of the normal beginner. However, if you want to have half of it, you can go over here, click the ratio 2. So you will have twice the risk of the Dcent Beginner, but it's still just half of the risk of the normal Forex Beginner account. And if you would go to a ratio of 4, which is usually not recommended, but here it would be just the same risk reward ratio as the normal Forex Beginner. So here you could still go with a ratio of 4. It's totally up to you, and just leave it here, trades copy mode proportional. Change the ratio however you want it to, and subscribe to the trader. And this ratio setting is also really helpful for all the people who love the high risk traders such as Saruya, who by the way crushed their account last month after they made around 400+% in profits. I mean, 400% is still pretty decent for a high risk trader where we know the account will crush at any time. However, the account from Saruya before, they made more than 1,400%, and just right after they crushed the next account, they opened a new one, and you will see that they are already much in loss, and actually the account is already gone and got liquidated, but the account didn't even last 2 weeks, just 10 days in total. And the really bad thing here is that they didn't even reach 100%, so definitely everyone who was subscribed to the new Saruya bot made some loss, and this have been actually quite a lot because they have, even now after the account was liquidated, more than 457 subscribers. So at the point the bot was active, it probably has been much more. So if you're into high risk traders, you might even want to consider, of course, not to put the ratio on 4, but maybe just 0.5 or 0.6, 0.7, whatever you want to, so you can reduce the risk but still having a pretty good. So you can reduce your risk, but of course also your profit. If you want to know who else I'm following when it comes to RoboForex copy trading, feel free to join my Telegram group. You will find it down below in the description. I'll there have a pinned message where I always keep up to date the traders which I am following. And before, of course, you will have to analyze the blockchain, where the tool is also helping you to have all the data really visual, nice and sleek and clean, so you get the best insights. I'm super excited. I'm currently testing it, and once I got the results, I will let you know. However, if you prefer to have something more low risk, then you can go and check out Ninjabet. I already made a video about it, and Ninjabet is actually a platform which will help us to do matched betting. And for everyone who doesn't know what matched betting is yet, matched betting is when we go to one betting exchange and saying Team A is winning, and on another exchange we are saying that Team A is losing. However, as most of the exchanges will give us some new client bonus or even recurring client bonus, we will still make good profit. And all you need to make some regularly income with that is $200 to start with and some time to get started. And if you are not registered on those betting exchanges yet, you can make around $2,000 to $3,000 one time with all the new client bonuses. And after, you will have the recurring offers, which will give you around $300 to $1,000 each single month. If you want to start making money using matched betting and Ninjabet, you can start for free. They will give you access to all the guides and the video tutorials that really everyone can start with matched betting. You don't need any knowledge about football, about betting or whatever. Ninjabet is having everything and everyone can do this. And you can just start for free. It will help you to get the first welcome bonus yourself. And if you decide after that you like it and you want to keep on going, it will be around $30 a month for the premium subscription. Or if you're paying annually, it is $20 a month. Unfortunately, this offer is not for everyone because you need to be either a resident in Germany, Austria, Switzerland, or in US, South America, such as Spain, UK, Italy, Ireland, or Australia. If you're a legal resident in any other country, as of now, you can't participate with Ninjabet. But maybe do your own research and you'll find another platform who is available in your country too. I'm personally using Ninjabet and I really love Ninjabet. They have a great community, they have a great onboarding, and everything is really simple and clear, even for total beginners. If you want to know more and also how it looks in the dashboard and the back end and how the tutorials actually look, how detailed the instructions are, check out my video where I already introduced you to Ninjabet.